solve it. You will try to solve this expression. Right? And what will be this expression? This expression will be in the terms of, suppose here it is sine inverse. So this expression you will try to bring 3x minus 4x3 should be written in the form of sine of something. Right? So that this sine inverse and sine will get cancelled and expression value will be something. Okay. Right? Then you can find the dy by dx of something and that will be the answer. You're getting the trick, right? This is the way trick. If you will try to solve this directly, it will never get solved. You will not get answer. Okay. Now you are seeing, right, sine 3 theta. What is the formula of sine 3 theta? Is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Right? So see, it is in that term. If I put here x, it will be coming at 3x minus 4x cube. So in place of x, what they have given? Sine theta. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to put, okay, put x equal to sine theta. Then this will become y equal to sine inverse. No, this is 3 sine theta. 3 sine theta. I am writing. Okay. Now this is 4 sine 3 theta. Okay. This will become sine inverse. And this value is, we already know from here. This is sine 3 theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta will be written as sine 3 theta. Now, we got the inside value in the terms of sine. It is sine inverse. So inside you have to get sine of something. So now this sine and this sine inverse is cancelled and the value is 3 theta. Right? But this is not the exact expression. Now you have to write theta in terms of x, because in question they're asking inside it is x. Right? So from here you can write how much will be theta. Theta will be sine inverse x. Right? From here. So in place of theta, write sine inverse x. So this is a simplified version. Still we did not get answer. Right? Now we will write differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So this y will become dy by dx. Now 3 into sine inverse x is how much? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So we got the answer is 3 into root 1 minus x square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, one more question, which is very frequently asked. This comes in JE also. Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Right? So, beta, now we have to think. How to think? Just see outside what is there. Outside cos inverse is there, right? So, if inside I'm writing it in terms of cos of something, then this cos and this cos inverse will get cancelled. Right? And I told you how to apply these shortcuts. If in denominator plus is there, right? This plus in denominator plus is there. This plus is nothing but it looks like tan, right? This plus is the indication of this tan. Right? So
Yes.
what we will write here is
Uh, X is equal to tan
so
theta.
put x equal to tan theta. Okay. So this will be cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Right? What is this formula? This inside is
Uh,
it is directly cos 2 theta. Right?
yes.
And you can also find out. So if you just do 1 minus, I don't know whether it will come or not. Sin square theta by cos square theta. So this will become, I'm solving this. This will become cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is for this. Right? And 1 plus tan square theta will be 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. You can further write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Either you solve and do, or either you can write it directly. Okay. What is coming here? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. By cos square theta. This I'm writing the value of this 1 minus tan square theta. And 1 plus tan square theta is how much? Cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Just completely. So this cos square theta and cos square theta is done, gone. How much is remaining? Cos square theta plus sin square theta will become 1. Right? So this will become cos inverse cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Cos square theta minus sin square theta by 1. This cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Right? Now, I want to write this in term of cos only. What I'm saying is, see, you can directly write, but I'm giving you steps. This cos square theta minus sin square theta. You can write it like this, right? Cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. Right? This is solve it 2 cos square theta plus 1. Right? And this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Right? Clear?
Yes.
So now this expression became very easy for us. Now this is the expression of y. Cos inverse, right? And cos 2 theta. This cos and cos inverse are gone. So y became 2 theta. But we should never differentiate with respect to theta. We should only differentiate with respect to x. Now here x is not there. So see where we have replaced. You have replaced x equal to tan theta. So from here, you have to find theta will be tan inverse x. So put the value of theta here. This is 2 into tan inverse x, y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Right? You will get dy by dx is equal to 2. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x. So the final answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Getting right? Slowly how concepts is being built. Here you have to square. Right? Here it is direct substitution. So you will take x equal to sine theta. Here we are applying trick. Because inside I want to get cos. Cos came here. Right? So tell me which question is difficult now to solve. Easy, right, son? Okay. One more question is there. Okay. This is very important and you should, I think you must have not done this anytime. Okay. So now the new pattern is 1 minus x square plus 1 minus y square, okay, is equal to a of x minus y. Now how will you do? This came in CBSE 2024. So it is like we know, right? Whenever we have like this substitution, a square minus a square sine square theta, or a square minus x square. Give me a minute. It again started raining here. Okay, fine. A square minus x square is given. So what was the substitution for us? X equal to, see you know, if I'll put x equal to a sine theta or cos theta, then only it will be solved, right?
Yes.
So in our case, what will happen? Here, I'll put x equal to, in place of a square, 1 is coming, right? So we have to put here x equal to a is 1. Right? So x equal to sine theta, right? And now y is also coming, right? Now we have to take both. Right? Y equal to, now I cannot take sine theta and theta both same way, right? So let us do, for simplicity, I'll just change it to a. We can do, no? And y equal to sine b. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this will become 1 minus sine square A plus root over 1 minus sine square B, right, is equal to A in place of x sine A minus sine B. See, all these questions are formula based. Right? Now you will think, what is this? Right? This is 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Right? So you will write cos square A plus cos square B is equal to A of sine A minus sine. Right? This can be solved as this will come out of root, right? Cos A. This will be coming out of root cos B is equal to A sine A minus sine B. Right? And these formulas you must have read in 9th or 10th. Right? A equal to cos A plus cos B. Right? Divided by sine A minus sine B. What will come, sir? Right? See, cos is coming with cos. Right? And sine is coming with sine. It means in both cases, cos formula will apply. Right? What I'm saying is cos A plus cos B is there. Right? So what is the formula for this? 2 into cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. And sine A minus sine B. Sine A minus sine B will be how much? 2 into cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. Are you familiar with this formula?
Yes.
So now it becomes easy. So A is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 divided by 2 into cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. This 2 cancel, this cos cancel. So now we are left with A equal to cos by sine, which cot A minus B by 2. So from here A minus B we have to find, right? So bring cot inverse this side, right? So this will become cot inverse A is equal to A minus B by 2. Right? So from here, how much will be A minus B? A minus B is 2 into cot inverse A. Right? Now we need, see, I cannot take A, B and differentiate. right? We have to have like what is A and what is B. From here, A will sine inverse X. This will become sine inverse X, and B will become sine inverse Y. And this you can write 2 into cot inverse A. Getting right, or you are not able to follow?
I'm getting it, sir.
Okay, right. Now this is constant. So difference, now we will be differentiating it. Differentiating with respect to X. What we will get? Sine inverse X is root over 1 by 1 minus X square, right? Minus sine inverse Y is root over 1 minus Y square, right? And this will become dy by dx, right? And this is a constant. So the constant differentiation will be 0, right? Now you can easily write it like this, right? Dy by dx, and I'm taking this side, okay? So this will become root over 1 minus y square is equal to root over 1 minus x square root. So from here, dy by dx is how much? Cross multiply 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. This is what was asked to prove. What did we do, right? See here, it is not inverse, but we know what to substitute. If you know what to substitute, right, you can easily form it, right? And we have just applied cos A plus cos B, cos A minus sin B. I mean sin A minus sin B formula. Okay. I would request you to write down all the formulas at one place so that it will be easier for you to recall. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us do some good things today. Okay.
Can
I
you
don't want
back?
to. Sorry.
I'll be back in 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, go. Are you back? Okay. Yeah. So I'm telling you very important question. Okay. Now it is started coming. Okay. This is very, very important. So they have given uh, prove that d by dx of mod x is equal to x by mod x, right? And where x is not equal to 0. So basically what it is telling, right? It is telling y equal to mod x, right? Find dy by dx. Let us solve this first. This question also comes. So we know, right? Mod x is defined as, see beta, mod value is never 0, never negative, sorry. So what I'm saying is, if you are writing mod, if you're writing something inside mod 4 is 4, right? And mod minus 4 is also 4, right? This is what we learned, right? But when we define this mod, right? Definition of mod is how much? It says, right? So mod can be open in two ways. Either it will open in negative or it will be open in positive. Why minus 4? Why mod minus 4 is 4? Because already minus 4 is there, right? One more minus we are giving, correct? Then only it becoming 4. What I'm saying is mod 4 is defined like this, right? Very important. In many differentiation integration also this comes. Okay? You can write it like this, right? Mod x equal to minus x, right? Given x is less than 0 and it is plus x, right? Given x is greater than 0. Okay. Now, so this simply means, right? Suppose I have mod 4, its value is 4, right? If I have minus 4, so what I am doing? I am writing like this, right? Here, I'm writing like this, right? I'm adding one more. Minus 4 is my quantity. Minus 4 I'm writing, right? And I'm putting one minus here, right? So that it will become plus, correct? So mod value is never negative, okay? But when you open this mod, this will be open in two ways, right? This will be minus x and x, okay? So let us solve it. You want any more explanation here?
Yes.
So if you want to differentiate this, just what will be differentiation of this? D by dx of mod x will be, what is differentiation of minus x? D by dx of x is 1, right? So d by dx, see, I'm differentiating this. D by dx of x is 1, right? Right? And d by dx of minus x is minus 1, right? Given x is greater than less than 0. So this is our differentiation of this, correct?
Yes.
Differentiation of mod x is never one quantity. Please remember, in exam it comes, okay? Whenever mod is given, you have to apply this mod definition. Okay. So this one part we solved. Now we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Means it is telling, right? Now we'll solve the second question. What is it telling? Prove that d by dx of mod x is equal to x by mod x. So very confusing question. Where x is not equal to 0. Because if you put x 0, it will become 0 only, right? Mod x is small, so why will I write capital? Right? Given x is not equal to 0. Okay. We have to solve both the sides. Okay. LHS equal to this, right? First tell, we know. Right? We know that, right, mod x is equal to x, right? When x is greater than 0, right? And this is minus x, right? When x is less than 0. Put now x minus 3. Take x as minus 3. So this will become plus only. So mod value will never be 0. Okay. So now here write. Here we need to write these two statements. We know that, right? Now we have to write differentiating with respect to x. What will happen? D by dx of mod x is equal to d by dx of x. Both you are telling. Differentiation of minus x will be becoming minus 1 only, right? Differentiation of x will become 1 only, right? You have to represent with condition. Right? This is your equation 1. Okay? This is our LHS. Right? Now RHS also. If somehow we can prove that LHS and is equal to RHS, then we are good. Right? Then x by mod x. RHS is x by mod x. How it is defined? X by mod x will be defined as say mod x is minus x, right? And mod x, I'm talking about mod x first, right? And it is x when x is less than 0, when x is greater than 0, right? Now what is coming? Right? This is in denominator. Right? So in numerator I will write x. Right? Here also in numerator I will write x. Right? Now I will solve it. He- Here there is no need of doing differentiation. Right? This x and x will cancel out. This x and x will cancel out and this will become minus 1. Right? This x and x will cancel out. This will become 1. And the condition is x is less than equal. X is less than. This is equation 2. So see, my both the equations are same, no? LHS equal to right as RHS or not? The value of this and value of this is same, right? Same set. And this is understood or not? Hello,
Sir,
did you get or not?
yes.
By 1 and 2, right? LHS is equal to RHS. This comes many times, okay? Again, let me take one more example. They have given fx is equal to root of tan 2x. Then find the value of f dash x at x equal to pi by 3. See, we should not be worried, right? Any mod, right? Treat it as like x only. How it will be defined? This, I'm just writing in place of whole 10 to x, I'm writing x only, right? So this will be minus x when x is less than 0. This will be plus x when x is greater than 0, right? So what will become, what our question will become? Fx equal to mod 10x, tan 2x, sorry, will become minus tan 2x, right? And plus tan 2x, right? When x is less than 0, when x is greater than 0, something like that, right? Have they given condition? No. So in this kind of situation, what will happen? What is the domain of tan? Tan 0 is 0 and tan 90 is infinity, right? So now you put, this is f dash x, sorry. So f dash in place of x will be pi by 3. Is equal to, I think some condition is missing here. How two values will come? Okay, let's see. I'm going to put here tan 2 into pi by 3 when x is less than 0 and tan 2 into pi by 3 when x is greater than. Tan 2 pi by 3 is how much? 2 into 180 by 3. 120, right? 120 comes in this quadrant, right? 120 will come in this quadrant, right? First quadrant, second quadrant, right? But minus 120, where it will come? It will never come, right? So this is not valid. So we are left with this. Minus 120 degree is not possible, no? Tan pi by 3 equal to tan 120 degree. And tan 120 degree is how much? Dheeraj?
√3 minus
It is tan 90 plus 30.
30.
How much it will come?
Like the final answer, sir.
Hmm.
Minus √2.
Minus 4. So this is answer. So whenever you are treating mod, right, try to treat both. Okay, there will be some condition here at x equal to pi by 3 there. So pi by 3 means what? Right? X is greater than 0 only. Right? This condition will only apply. If x is less than 0, this condition will not come. Clear?
Yes.
Now, tell me, I have given you 4 or 5 types of questions. Are you comfortable now?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll do some different kind of questions. Okay. Before that, today I gave some question to my students. Okay. This is for integration. What is the integral of dx? If you know.
1.
So it will be 1 into dx. How it will be 1?
Integral and dx.
1 is common. Okay. See, if you're typing x dx, this will be x square by 2. Right? So 1 dx will be how much? Constant will go outside. Right? So it is dx. Integral will be x, right? Or wrong? Wrong, na? See. So this was not a question. Question was something else. I'll come to this. So what I'm saying is, you know this there is x dx is equal to x square by 2. But is it correct answer? No. We have to have constant c. Right? If you are missing this constant, they'll give 0 marks in IIT as well as in board. Right? Now, in place of here, I am writing x equal to 1 dx. Can I write it like this? X to the power 0 dx. So this will become x 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 plus constant. So this will become x plus c. Correct? So integral of dx is how much? X. Right? And there is some constant. Now, this is a question. Today I was taking test for my kids. Okay. Now, tell better. If this question comes in your IIT or board, what will be our answer?
0.
Okay. So, ideally, everyone will select 0. But let us do the postmortems. What we say, integration equal to reverse of differentiation, right? So, differentiation of any constant is 0, correct? So, integral of 0 will be, now tell me it will be 0, here it will be 0 or C?
R.
C, right? You can't write 0, right? 0 plus C, because see, if I have like x plus C, y equal to x plus C, right? Then only this quantity is becoming 1 plus 0, right? So whenever you are telling that differentiation of something is 0, so that something is constant, right? So integral of 0 will be not 0, okay? Very important. Are you confused?
No, sir.
Confused, huh?
No, no, sir. I understand.
Okay. So basically what I'm saying is we have to also think, right? What sir is telling. So I'm making logical thing, no? See, 1 dx, right? So differentiation of x is 1, correct? D by dx of 1 is x. D by dx of x is 1. So integral of dx will be how much? X only, right? Now, in the same place, I'm writing 0, right? This only was question. This is coming in many places nowadays. Very tricky. So please do not write 0. Okay, it will be 0 plus C, some constant, and the answer will be C. This is very important MCQ, as well as in some basic places also they give this. Okay. Okay, I'm coming back to differentiation. This is also very important. Differentiate. This is our 7th question. Differentiate 2 to the power cos square x with respect to cos square x. So what we will tell, right? We'll take as this as u, this as v, right? And we'll do correct.
Yes, sir.
So let u equal to 2 to the power cos square x, and v equal to cos square x. Okay? Now we know what formula to apply here. D by dx of constant to power x, will be a to the power x into log n. Clear this? So here in place of x, what we have? Cos square x. Right? And this is u and this is x. So differentiation will be with respect to x. So this will become du by dx is equal to 2 to the power x, means 2 to the power cos square x into log cos square x into d by dx of this, correct? Into d by dx of cos square x. Okay. This becomes 2 to the power cos square x into log of, I'll write it neatly, log of cos square x. And this cos square x will be written as d by dx of cos x whole square. This can be further written as 2 into cos square x into log cos square x into 2 cos x. 2 into cos x, and then the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. So basically what it is becoming? Du by dx. This du by dx is becoming 2 will come. So minus 2 into 2 to the power cos square x into log of cos square x into sin x cos x. Right? And v is cos square x. Right? V is cos square x. So dv by dx is equal to, you can write it like this, cos x whole square. So first this will become 2 cos x into minus sin x. Now we have to find du by dv. Therefore du by dv will be du by dx divided by dv by dx. Right? Du by dx divided by dv by dx. See, this dx will constant, it will be du by dx. What is this? Right? Just divide this, minus 2 into 2 cos square x into log of cos square x into sin x cos x divided by, this is minus, minus 2 sin x cos x. So this 2 cancel, minus minus cancel, sin x cos x cancel. This became 2 to the power cos square x into log cos square x. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So I'll stop it here because you have an exam.
Yes, okay, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll meet on Wednesday. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to convey?
Uh, yes.
So if someone tells what is the integral of 0 dx, integral of 0,
See,
see, it's not 0. Every time this question comes, we write 0 and gets 0 mark. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Bye bye.
yeah, thank you, sir.
See you on Wednesday.
Yes.